Machines have been taking on human tasks for centuries, and people and societies have always adapted. What makes today's digital revolution different? What does the increasing role of automation, of robots, mean for how people do their jobs? We found some answers in a Portuguese metal joining factory.
About 14% of jobs in OECD countries are highly automatable. Another 32% of jobs could face substantial change in how they are carried out.
Automation is mostly affecting manufacturing jobs and agriculture, but some service jobs are highly automatable too, and we have found that the highest risk is in routine jobs with low skill requirements and often low wages.
Where a robot or automated equipment can help is by performing these steady, constant, very demanding tasks. Doing such a repetitive work translates into that you're tired, probably you're not very happy, and it will make you cause mistakes.
In Vale de Cambra, a rural area in northern Portugal, a small company is testing collaborative robotics, where humans and machines work together.
It's equipped with advanced algorithm for path planning and collision avoidance. It's equipped also with augmented reality.
Not only could employees benefit from automated help, but companies benefit too. Using robots can improve productivity and boost profits. Robots are built to work even when humans cannot.
We are in a factory that is not in an urban area. It is rather difficult to get qualified labor. For Portugal to keep on having a competitive performance, they will have to be on investing in technology, on investing on people's know-how. People here and the company will grow side by side.
To make this happen, investment in innovation and training within small and medium-sized companies is needed. Creating stronger links between schools and industry can help.
It is estimated that more than 3 million industrial robots will be in use in factories around the world by 2020.
The global figure says that 14% of jobs are at risk of automation. But when you dig deep into the regional disparities, that ranges from 4 to 40%. So I think the emphasis needs to be in terms of what we do to support those areas that are at greatest risk.
What's happening in Vale de Cambra shows us that technological change can be about collaboration rather than elimination.
So automation is a risk, and it is higher in some regions and communities than in others.
But at the same time, we know that new tasks and jobs are also being created, and these are often ones that are more difficult to automate. So we need skilled workers for these jobs, and firms that are ready to use them to not only help boost productivity, but to improve workers' lives.